Day 1. Today was day 1 of the Obama-Columbia University trial, and the events consisted of introducing, judge Unger, and jury selection. People attended this trial from all over the world. The attendees came from as far as Germany, Hawaii, California, Toronto, Texas, Virginia, North Carolina, and Florida, just to name a few. One of the attendees was a former mayor of New Mexico, as well. The media consisted of a reporter from Salon.com, Steve Langford from Howard Stern News, and myself. There were other freelance reporters as well that attended. I met a few friends from the Conservative Monster as well, and it was great to know that they supported myself and Pastor Manning at a time when we needed them most. Pastor Manning put tons of time, effort, and sweat into this trial, and this is going to be a very interesting week. First, we assembled in front of Columbia University and proceeded to march around it in protest of their alleged assistance in the eligibility cover-up. Next, we walked to the church, went through a metal detector, and all bags were checked. Security was very tight. Then, Pastor Manning's staff prepared an amazing lunch. We then proceeded to jury selection. The indictment was handed down via a grand jury, and the subpoenas were refused by Columbia University and the Obama administration according to testimony. Indictment alleges 1. Columbia University and Obama conspired to defraud and commit wire fraud and mail fraud. 2. Columbia University knowingly concealed the fact that Obama is not a natural-born citizen. 3. Columbia University aided in obstructing justice. 4. Obama fraudulently obtained offers of the President of the United States, gaining access to sensitive materials, posing a danger to national security. 5. The prosecution dropped the charges of treason and espionage to avoid complications with a death sentence. Pastor Manning quotes 1. Obama is a criminal, and we will prove that in this courtroom. 2. Howard Dean, Hillary Clinton, and John McCain helped Obama win the election. Manning stated that a witness will testify that John McCain took a dive in the 2008 election. 3. The courts have failed, and they are complicit, along with the media, to cover up Obama's alleged ineligibility. 4. Manning quoted a speech that he made at a Tea Party in June or July of 2009, where he stated, "We need to pursue Obama on his ineligibility, non-natural-born status, rather than his policies, because health care will pass, no matter how much you try to protest it." 5. God told me that our shoes are our weapons. Meaning that we need to march and protest to show them that we will not be silenced. There was some tension outside with some of the Harlem residents that were Obama fans, and they made it known that they were not too pleased about birthers being in their neighborhood. I was already inside when this incident took place. This dirtbag was cursing and screaming in public. She was the perfect example of an Obama supporter / useful idiot. Illiterate and nasty, as she got into the face of an elderly disabled veteran. If we were a bunch of white racists, a black Harlem church would be the last place we would be. But try telling that to this mutt. Steve Cooper, TheConservativeMonster.com.